It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
What if one small device could replace every remote in your home and automate the way you live? The mere BroadLink RM4 Pro, a compact smart controller, can manage up to 50 devices simultaneously. It's the RM4 Pro S model in sleek black, and it works with both IR and RF 433 mAh signals, meaning your TV, ceiling fan, fireplace, air conditioner, blinds, and more can all be controlled from a single app. It connects seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT, and Siri shortcuts, giving you total voice control throughout your home. It also comes with a USB sensor cable that reads real time temperature and humidity, allowing you to automate comfort settings directly within the BroadLink app. The RM4 Pro supports timers, scenes, and full remote access over Wi Fi. It operates on a 2.4 gigahertz network and requires a 5v1A USB adapter for power. How different would your home feel if everything listened to you?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey